Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nora Shifasila. You can call me Nora. And in this video, I will explain about apply linguistic. About apply linguistic. So the first, I will talk about the history. Apply linguistic become more important after World War II. At the time, many people needed to learn English for education, work, and international communication. Because of that, experts start using linguistic knowledge to improve language teaching. At first, this file only focused on teaching English, but now it is much wider. Today, apply linguistic also includes translation, communication, and language policy. I don't know how to pronounce, and technology. For example, language learning apps like Duolingo are created based on research how people learn language. So, apply linguistic starts from language teaching, but now it helps solve many real-life language problems. And then the next is definition of apply linguistic. It means using knowledge about language to solve word real problem. It's not only about grammar rules or theory language. It's about using that knowledge in practical situation. It asks practical question like how we can teach English better, how do misunderstanding happen in communication, how can we translate more accurately. If a teacher, and then the example again, if a teacher changed their method to help students understand better, it's apply linguistic. And then the next topic is the scope of apply linguistic. It include in the first is language teaching and learning. For example, like making lesson plans or classroom activity. The second is translation and interpreting. For example, like translation subtitles or books. And then the third is language testing. For example, like creating English exam for measure student ability. And then the fourth is English policy. For example, like deciding which language is used in school or official communication. And then the fifth is communication analysis. For example, like studying how people use language in social media or in workplace. The sixth is language and technology. For example, like speech recognitions or language apps. So basically, apply linguistic cover any real situation where language knowledge is used. And then the next topic is why do we need apply linguistic? Why do we need apply linguistic? Because linguistic is very important in everywhere. In school, in work, in your daily life is very important. And many problems happen because of language misunderstanding. So apply linguistic, it helps us to improve language teaching, reduce misunderstandings, support communication between cultures, improve professional communication. For example, like in hospital. In hospital, we need a clear in hospital. The doctor need a clear communication between the patient. If there is misunderstanding between the doctor and the patient, it can be dangerous. So, without applying linguistic, language knowledge would stay only theory. Okay, the next point is difference between applied linguistic and pure linguistic. Pure linguistic studies how language works. Meanwhile, applied linguistic study use that knowledge in real life. Example like pure linguistic studies grammar use. Meanwhile, applied linguistic use grammar study to teach people, to teach students. So the simple is pure linguistic is theory, applied linguistic is practice. So the conclusion from all that, applied linguistic connects language theory with real life. It helps people learn language better, communication more clearly, and solve communication problem in society, in everywhere. So that's why applied linguistic is very important. I think that's all from me. Thank you for listening my explain. Thank you for listening me to explain about applied linguistic. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.